It's day 16 of the Lego Guardians of the Galaxy Advent Calendar for 2022 Reveal and Build. Right here, day 16. Let's get into it. Ooh, I think this is going to be a stereo, which would be a good build. Okay, 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna go 4, 5, put the cassette deck there, 6, 7, whoop, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's the stereo. Now we've got the speakers. 10, 11, 12, 13. There we have it. That is the complete set. I actually like this one. Well done, day 16. Very good. Look at that. I think they've done well with that. Simple, but effective. And just because I've got the extra piece there, I'm going to put that on top. They could have actually done a flat piece on top of there without the studs. But anyway, that's what we have. All right. Join me for days, what was today? 16. Day 17 tomorrow. Bye for now.